management are not taking care of me. So you, the board, this is what is going on. I sent them the letter. They also didn't care.
Oh.
So like I don't know what to do at that time.
So
I don't know what to do.
So it happened like that until your contract expired.
Yeah, it happened like that. Until my contract expired.
So have you gone to scan or the hospital to check like what is really a problem?
Before.
Okay.
That was when I went to loan on Tuesday, so that's when I got the agent. So when I returned back, after my loan contract ended, I returned back. That time, when it comes to start, like, yeah, that was last season's league.
Mm-hmm.
So I consulted the doctors, our doctors, and I told them that I had this. So like, I think it's I'm still feeling the pain, so they should do something. They collected the contact of Kingfisher doctor. They talked to him. I don't know what they talked about. When we started preseason, I think 2 days. Then 2 days, so it wasn't okay with me. So they let me come back to Kumasi. Now I can go doing a preseason at Accra. So I came back to Kumasi for an MRI scan. So when I came, they told me like even the MRI
result.
Sleep is here. The result is here.
Okay.
So the doctor told me I had my ACL is on, so let's say that's what the doctor told me. Okay, and I said fine. So I consulted Nanaya, and he told me that he's going. By that time, they were going to Sudan to play a friendly match or whatever. By then, like they were going to Turkey, but they didn't came on because of some I don't know them.
Oh yeah, I remember.
So when I called Nanaya, I informed him everything. Then let them go and come. If they come and they will know what to do. I said okay. So I had to go and come. When they came, I called Nanaya. I told him like, Charlie, I don't know what to do. This is the situation. So please, do your best and let them take care of him. What he told me, pressure is on him, so I should take time. I said, how? Pressure is on you, how? Like, a whole lot of problem. I was sending him messages, calling him. He doesn't, like, he came and blocked me, crap. And I said, wow. So, I don't know what to do that time, because all the board members they know it. They won't tell me they don't know. They know what is going on. Emmanuel, that's when Nanaya and the other guy, the big guy.
They all know what's going on.
They all know what was going on, and they decided not. Like I don't know why. When I call this one will be telling me this. When I call this one will be telling me this. When I call the other one, he will not even take. So by the case started, I don't know what to do. Like I consulted some SMPCs and I consulted. I told them everything.
Yeah, someone just someone just called me and told me that you needed help. That's why I'm calling, so that I can put it out there so that everyone will know what's going on.
Yeah. Frankly speaking, I needed help badly because I have no one. I needed help. I really need help badly, but I have no one. I don't know what to do. Now, people think even I've traveled. Those who even know me, if not like they know I'm injured, people think I've traveled. Because I don't go anywhere. I don't go anywhere.